Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix team meeting button not showing up in Outlook. So here are two steps to try. If the first one doesn't work, try the second one. First step is sign out of Teams and then restart it. Simply close the Teams tab, Team Setup and then reopen it. And after that, close Outlook also and then restart it also. Now if this works, then it's fine. But if it doesn't work, if you still don't see the Teams add-in, then it might be disabled in Outlook. So let's see how to check this. In Outlook, on the File tab, select Options. In the Outlook option dialog box, select Add-ins. Confirm that Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office is listed in the active application adds in list. In the Teams Meeting adds in listed in the inactive application add-ins list, then under Manage, select COM add-ins and then select Go. Now select the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office checkbox and choose OK to all dialog box, and I think it will solve your problem. But if the team meeting add-in is listed on the disable application address list, then under Manage, select Disable Items and then select Go. Here after selecting Teams add-in, you have to click Enable. Anyway, after that, just click OK and then close Outlook. Again, you have to restart the Outlook and then your problem will be solved and you will find meeting options for a new schedule a Microsoft team meeting from Outlook. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.